Jefferson Health and Cigna have reached an agreement. Meanwhile, Pennsylvania's Medicaid is grappling with how to cover weight loss drugs. State parks have seen an uptick in reservations ahead of the summer. Lastly, this steakhouse is purportedly the best in state. I'm Claudia Dimuro, and you're listening to Today in PA. Here's some good news, reports 6ABC. In an update to a story this podcast has covered before, Jefferson Health, the largest health system in the Philadelphia region, has reached a new multi-year agreement with Cigna. That means, contrary to prior worries, all Jefferson hospitals, physician practices, and providers will remain in-network for Cigna policyholders. The details about this deal haven't been released yet. The agreement is retroactively effective, though, from March 15th. The costs of popular weight loss drugs like Wegovy and Ozempic just keep going up, reports the Associated Press, which is putting a stress on state Medicaid programs as they grapple with how to cover these costs. Pennsylvania's Medicaid coverage for these drugs, for example, is forecasted to cost $1.3 billion this year, adding to projections of a multi-billion-dollar budget deficit. State lawmakers are considering fixes to this, like requiring Medicaid patients who want to use these drugs to meet a certain number on the body mass index if they want to get a prescription. They're also considering having people attempt to diet and exercise, or to use less expensive medications beforehand as well. State parks are seeing an uptick for campsite reservations ahead of the summer, states Philly Voice. The State Department of Conservation and Natural Resources recently revealed that, in comparison to last year, there's been a roughly 30% increase in these reservations, indicating a quote-unquote record-breaking season. Said DCNR Secretary Cindy Adams Dunn, quote, Pennsylvanians and visitors alike are embracing the outdoors like never before. With increased demand for camping, we encourage everyone to plan ahead and take advantage of the many beautiful sites still available. Website Love Food recently listed the best steakhouses in each state as well as Washington, D.C., says PennLive. Barclay Prime in Philadelphia was named the top spot in Pennsylvania. This quote-unquote cool, chic spot has not only a great selection of meat, but awesome side dishes too, like their truffle mac and cheese. Other locations on the list were Club Paris in Anchorage, Alaska, and Hai's Steakhouse in Honolulu, Hawaii. I actually went to Club Paris in Anchorage last year. Didn't get the steak, but can confirm their burgers are awesome. That wraps up today's episode. For even more news, check out PennLive.com, and please don't forget to rate this podcast and to share now with someone you think would like it too. Thanks ahead of time, and of course, thanks for listening. I'm Claudia Dimuro, and I'll be back again tomorrow for another round of Today in PA.